started using the Farvision when we have moved up to the infrastructure activity. We are looking at the various ERP options which are available into the market. But we always wish that the developer and the service provider should be work with us in hand to hand, and we find it out many of the conversation with the you people, and we find that you people are really helpful for us on those part. On those days of, I think 2010, we have started our using ERP in our company, and since then I think more than 12 years we are using this ERP. Always you have incorporated those options in ERP, always changing and updating your ERP. And even when the technologies are changing there, you completely change the platform and provide us the new platform. That is absolutely amazing for us. And that's why we are so much happy with your platform and your support always, every time. Right now, we are with this ERP help, we are just providing a daily balance sheet to our partners. And they are so happy with it. Organized records and organized things with the very quickest period of time. So it's helpful for us for many times. We are right now, more than 50 projects have been executed through this ERP. And all this project MIS data is available within a fraction of seconds of time. I have worked with the other ERPs also, but they are somewhat, the users have to be accommodated to the ERP. Here, the ERP is accommodated to the developer. And this flexibility always helps us to make a faster decision in comparison to the all other ERPs. So it's specifically for the real estate industry, I think it's the best one. I think in Gujarat, I am a first customer of your ERP. And since then, I have recommended it to the majority of the developers. Right now, we are using either directly or once they are coming to our place. So this scenario has been started from the 2010 onwards, and it would be remain for always. Anybody can come to our place, see that how we are using the daily reporting system and how we are managing all this on the tips of the fingers anytime.